Questions 1 to 2. Read a text aloud. Directions. In this part, you will be asked to read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then, you will have 45 seconds to read the text out loud. Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Thank you for choosing First National Bank. Please note that our online banking system will be unavailable this Saturday from midnight until 6 a.m. for scheduled maintenance. During this time, you may use our ATMs or visit a branch during regular business hours. We recommend completing any urgent transactions in advance to avoid disruption. We apologize for any inconvenience and appreciate your understanding.
Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Attention students, don't miss the University Talent Night this Friday at 6 p.m. in the Student Center Auditorium. Enjoy music, comedy, and dance performances by your classmates. Admission is free and snacks will be provided. This event is a great opportunity to support talented students and relax after a busy week. Bring your friends and show your school spirit. Join us for an evening of fun, creativity, and community.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to describe the pictures on the screen in as much detail as possible. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 30 seconds to talk about the pictures. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, I can see two people shopping in a grocery store. In the foreground, a woman is holding a red shopping basket and looking at fresh vegetables, such as broccoli and lettuce. She appears to be choosing produce carefully. In the background, a man is reading the label on a food package, possibly checking the ingredients or price. The shelves are well stocked and the store looks clean and well organized. Overall, it seems like they're doing their grocery shopping in a calm and everyday
Begin
situation.
preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, I can see several people at a famous tourist location. In the foreground, two people are taking photos of a couple who are standing and posing together. One person is using a smartphone while the other is using a professional camera. In the background, there is a large group of tourists and the Eiffel Tower can be seen behind them. The weather looks sunny and many people are walking around and enjoying the sightseeing. Overall, the atmosphere seems lively and relaxed.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 5 and 6, and 30 seconds to respond to question 7. Imagine that you are talking to a classmate about sports and exercise. Now, I'm going to ask you 3 questions.
What kind of exercise do you usually do, and how often?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I usually do light exercise, such as jogging and stretching. I go jogging about 3 times a week, usually in the evening after work. On weekends, I sometimes take long walks to relax and stay active.
Do you prefer exercising alone or with other people? Tell me about it.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I prefer exercising alone because I can focus better and go at my own pace. When I exercise by myself, I don't feel pressured, and it helps you reduce stress after a busy day.
In your opinion, what are the benefits of doing regular exercise?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In my opinion, regular exercise has many benefits. First, it helps people stay healthy by improving their strength and energy levels. It can also reduce stress and help people feel more relaxed. In addition, exercising regularly can improve sleep quality and concentration at work or school. Regular exercise helps people maintain both physical and mental health, which leads to a better quality of life.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to refer to information on the screen in order to answer 3 questions. The information will be shown for 45 seconds before you hear the questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 8 and 9, and 30 seconds to respond to question 10. Begin preparing now.
Hi mate, I'm interested in your health club for this summer. Until what time is the club open on weekdays?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Thanks for calling. The Health Club is open until 10 p.m. on weekdays. From Monday to Friday, the opening hours are 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., so you can visit us early in the morning or in the evening.
I want to get in shape before summer ends. If I join on August 5th, do I still get the free registration?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Unfortunately, no. The special offer is only available if you join before July 31st. If you join on August 5th, the registration fee will apply.
I like health clubs with many activities. What is included with a gym plan?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
We offer many options. With a basic plan, you get access to gym equipment only. The premium plan includes the gym and group classes, such as yoga, spinning, and Pilates. If you choose the VIP plan, it includes the gym, group classes, and additional facilities like the swimming pool and sauna. This plan is ideal for people who enjoy a variety of activities.
Directions. In this part, we'll be asked to give your thoughts on a certain topic. It is to your advantage to speak as much as possible in the time provided. You will have 30 seconds to prepare your response and 60 seconds to speak. Some people prefer studying alone, while others prefer studying in a group. Which do you think is better? Give reasons and examples to support your opinion. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In my opinion, studying alone is better for most people. One reason is that it allows students to focus without distractions. When studying alone, people can control their schedule and spend more time on difficult topics. Another reason is that studying alone helps improve concentration and self-discipline. For example, when I study by myself, I can review materials at my own pace and repeat difficult parts until I fully understand them. However, studying in a group can be helpful for discussion, especially before exams. It can definitely be more fun if you're studying with friends. Overall, I believe studying alone is more effective for deep understanding and better learning results.